The appointment of B. Sudershan Reddy as Goa's first Lokayukta will be challenged by Advocate Rodrigues before the Bombay High Court at Goa next week.
Advocate Rodrigues on Saturday stated that the entire selection and appointment process of B. Sudershan Reddy was contrary to the law laid down by the Supreme Court earlier this year while deciding petitions pertaining to the appointment of Lokayuktas in Gujarat and Karnataka. Alleging that the selection of the Goa Lokayukta was not transparent and shrouded in mystery, Advocate Rodrigues also wondered as to why the distinguished Goan retired High Court judges were not considered for the post.
I want to request the Bombay High Court to test the validity and the legality of Justice Sudershan Reddy's appointment as the Lokayukta of Goa. In view of the two judgments passed earlier this year by the Honorable Supreme Court in the appointments of the Lokayuktas of Gujarat and Karnataka, it looks like the Goa government has not followed the parameters and the law laid down in the selection and appointment of the Goa Lokayukta. In fact, the Goa government, instead of asking the Chief Justice of India or the Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court to recommend names for the post of Lokayukta, what the Goa government did conveniently, appointed an unlawful search committee to suggest names of the Lokayukta. So I am going to challenge this before the Honorable High Court next week. Let the High Court decide if Justice Sudershan Reddy's appointment is in accordance with law.
Advocate Rodrigues further stated that the ₹500 fee being charged with every complaint filed before the Goa Lokayukta would also be challenged, as it would discourage and deter the common man from filing complaints of corruption and maladministration before the Lokayukta.
I will also challenge the fee of ₹500 being charged by everybody filing a complaint before the Lokayukta. This is not acceptable. In fact, the Goa Lokayukta Act is to encourage people to come up with complaints of corruption and maladministration. So if there is a fee of 500, which is a lot, this will deter the common man from going before the Lokayukta with complaints of corruption and maladministration. This is an issue which will be also agitated before the court. I am also surprised that the Goa government ignored the Goan retired High Court judges for the post of the Lokayukta. This is something that would also have to be examined by the Bombay High Court, because if a Goan can be a judge of the Bombay High Court at Goa, there is no reason why the Goan retired judge could not be considered for the post of Lokayukta. I am also surprised